In this video, I'm going to go over how to replace the idle air control valve, and I've got a 2003 WRX, and I ended up getting the P1519 error code, and what that relates to is the idle air control valve, which is right here. And I've already replaced it, but I was just going to kind of go over quickly how you go about doing this. I'm in the middle of replacing something else. It isn't necessary to remove everything you see behind the control valve. This is actually accessible without really removing anything from the engine. This is the old one here. It's only held on by 2 screws. I've read that some people have had luck with a Q-tip and with like gasoline or carb cleaner to kind of clean the inside of it and plug it back in, but I ended up having the same problem, which was the car would, once I would turn it on, the idle would start fluctuating and I'd end up with the same code. But so I just went ahead, I tried that trick cleaning it, it didn't work. So I just bought the replacement piece for it. And something else you're going to want to do is there is a little gasket that sits in there. And it's not recommended that you reuse that gasket. Whether or not you end up cleaning or replacing this unit, I would highly recommend replacing that gasket as well, regardless. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Just these 2 screws, it pops off. Take this hose off here. When removing or reinstalling this, you want to really be careful with these screws because I'd rather they can kind of strip easy. Okay, so that's about it. And I'll go ahead and leave a link to the OEM part that I purchased in the description of this video.